Our yard floods during heavy rains, which is a problem when we try to go from the driveway to the house. But we fixed it by giving the water a place to flow. We installed a French drain. The French drain is a pipe with holes in it that holds the water until the soil can absorb it. We bought easy drains, which are pipes encased in heavy mesh and surrounded by styrofoam, so we would need to use less gravel. The French drain has to be at least 10 feet away from any structures. Measure where you want to install the pipe. Next, dig your trench. For this trench, we need it to be 14 inches deep, which is right there. Use my China marker, which comes off. This way I don't have to keep getting the measuring tape out. Yeah, I'm using it as a standard shovel to start with, but it's more not really big shovels full of dirt. It's more cutting and shaping. We double check the trench by laying the easy drains in it first. My, that is an excellent trench. How'd you get that?
You dug it, but we gotta make it bigger.
Oh, shit. This connector is supposed to keep the dirt out. Once we got the easy drains connected, we installed them in the trench. We covered the easy drains with 6 inches of gravel, then waited for the rains to arrive. With the first storm of El Nino, it rained all night and finally stopped in the afternoon. Our French drain worked perfectly.